So let's start off by writing, I want you to write me an essay on, let's say, Napoleon. Make the essay 500 words long. You do that, enter, and now we're just going to wait for it to load up. Okay, so once it loads up, it keeps going on and on. So here you go. Napoleon Bonaparte, Legacy of Triumph and Tragedy, and it keeps going on and on. And you can even like test the word limit, by the way. So basically, let's copy this and see if the word limit is actually, on point. So I'm gonna copy this. We're gonna come here and you're just gonna write, go to some word limit checker, and we're gonna go to word counter, and we're gonna see how much it gives us. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this, paste my own, and as we scroll down, look at that. It's 578 words, pretty close, right? Like it's not too far-fetched. So you get the point, and it's a proper essay. It's a proper essay that you can present in class.
Simply if you know this prompt. For example, we're going to ask Bart AI to make a comparison, right, between BMW and Mercedes for maintenance and ownership costs. Let's say you like models from both cars, both brands, right? But you don't know, you're not sure which one you should get, right? For example, you like the G-Wagon, but you like the X6 as well, and you wonder, okay, both are the same price. For example, you have the budget, so which one you should get? You see what we're having over here, full breakdown and comparison. This is why Bard AI is awesome. See, average annual cost BMW 1300, Mercedes 1220. Partial cost, you have high partial cost for BMW, moderate for Mercedes. Labor cost high for BMW, moderate for Mercedes. Scheduled maintenance every 12 months or 15,000 miles. Mercedes every 12 months or 10,000 miles. Reliability average above average for both. That's good. Commonly reported issues: oil leaks for the BMW, suspension problems, electrical issues. Mercedes air pump failures, transmission problems, fuel injector issues. Ownership category: BMW depreciation high, Mercedes high, insurance high on both. Fuel efficiency varies by the model, generally lower than average for both. Resale value high, warranty coverage 4 years, 50,000 miles. Extended warranty options available. Overall, both brands are more expensive to maintain than most non-luxurious brands. Mercedes-Benz has a slight edge in overall maintenance cost with lower labor and parts prices. BMW parts tends to be more expensive, contributing to the higher repair cost. Ownership costs for both brands are high due to the depreciation, insurance, and fuel. Very, very well comparison, guys. I believe no matter who is reading this, car enthusiast, car expert, mechanic, reading this, he will know that this is awesome. And this was generated just with one single prompt. This is why, guys, you should subscribe to the channel and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to walk you through the Bard AI, and I'm gonna show you one of the most important new prompts that you should be aware of if you ever wanna take advantage of the AI innovation. So I want you to come over here, log into your Bard AI account, come down to the enter a prompt box, and let's ask Bard AI to create a newsletter for our blog post. Okay, so in our case we are going to ask him write a newsletter about the value of the US dollar in 2024 predictions. Let's see. We previously used Bart AI for starting an e-commerce business, starting a dropshipping business. You want to make sure you watch my videos on the topic as well. Very interesting stuff are going on, guys. You want to make sure that you know what exactly you should input as a prompt. Look at this. Decoding the dollar. What 2024 dollar holds for the greenback. The US dollar, arguably the world's financial heavyweight, stranger, blah blah blah. Bullish bets. The US economic outperformance. Goldman Sachs paints a rosy picture, forecasting continued US economic growth, attracting foreign investments. Safe haven status. Global uncertainties like potential geopolitical tensions and economic jitters could have Fed rate policy. Despite speculations of rate cuts later in this year, the current hawkish stance of the Federal Reserve could maintain an attractive interest rate differential. Bearish whispers. Central bank harmonization. If other central banks like European Central Bank follow suit with the rate hike, the dollar's relative advantage might diminish, leading to depreciation. Emerging markets revival. Presidential elections, guys, 2024. Navigating the fog. The truth is, predicting the US dollar future is much art as science. While factors mentioned above paint a complex picture, unforeseen events and shifting market dynamics can easily go after the course. The bottom line. The crystal ball remains cloudy when it comes to the dollar's 2024 story. While conflicting predictions around one thing, it's clear it's doing to be a roller coaster ride. But by staying informed and adopting a pursuit, I think it's very good, guys. It gives us a detail, it gives us citation, who said what and who predicts what, based on what geopolitical conditions or macroeconomic stance, right? I think it's very helpful. This is one of the very important prompts, especially if you're running a blog post, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and come back for more. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to use Bart AI to help us find some local recommendations and help us craft better experience during our vacation or our trip or in some place where we just landed. Okay, it's very easy, guys, very simple. So in this example over here we're going to say that, hey, I just moved in Miami Beach. Please recommend me some local activities in a sense of food and sport. This is helping you, saving you maybe 3, 4, 6 hours on Yelp or on Reddit trying to find out the best local food, or spending hours watching YouTube videos for the best, local restaurant, this and that. They simply will extract all the information from all the sources, all the blog posts, websites, and they're gonna give you only the summary over here. Okay, so first of all, we have outdoor sports in Miami Beach. Has a 5-star rating on Google Maps. Miami Beach downtown water sports has a 5-star. Okay, food, but what is it about? Okay, so you can South Beach food tour starting point has 3.8 stars rating. I don't care about the ratings. Please give me names of the places, address, and what they offer. I want to get into more details. We don't need such a generic type that we can find on Google. We want something that is assembled from multiple sources of information. Okay, some sports activities in Miami Beach, outdoor sports, this is the address. Okay, then we have the water sports address. Then again, one other water sports. Are there some food activities? Okay. Okay, we have the map. Can you give me prices as well? So we want to know where to go. We know where to go. Now we're gonna filter and see what are the prices. And after that, we are going to ask for hours, right? Okay, water sports paradise. Now we have the pricing. Now we're talking over here, guys. So prices depending on, for example, jet ski rentals is $80 an hour. Paddle boating starts at $25 an hour. Kayaking $20 an hour. Miami food tours, okay. So for example, Little Havana food tour is $64 per person. South Beach food tour is $74 per person. And Wynwood Walls food art walking tour is $35 an hour. Outdoor sports, yeah, I mean, guys, this is very helpful. I mean, we spent here less than 5 minutes, okay? And now I have like spots, I have addresses, I have prices. I know exactly where to go if I'm looking for jet ski, where to go if I'm looking for a little Havana food tour, where I want to go if I want to just, chill outside on the paddle boating. This is why you need to learn how to use BART AI, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video. In this video, guys, we're going to go and use BART AI to help us start a brand new store on the Shopify platform, and we're going to ask what kind of products, how we're going to structure our business, and how we can outperform our competitors. Remember, all this information will be coming from Google, so information is very up to date, and it's very, very interesting how other people share their information. Remember, this is summary of pictures, videos, blog posts, comments. We're gonna get access to all this just with a single prompt over here. So I want to start an e-commerce store on Shopify. Please advise a strategy, products, and marketing approach so I can be successful. Boom. Very easy, very simple, guys. All the other case studies on my channel over here, guys, you need to go through each one of it, okay? You're gonna learn so many things about how to use AI and make tons of money, okay? Let's see what they actually pump this time. Great choice, Shopify, fantastic platform, okay? Product selection, find a niche, don't try to compete with everything. Instead, find a niche market with underserved needs, okay, we know that. Passion matters, choose products you're genuinely excited about. That doesn't sound like a good idea. Consider profitability, analyze potential. Okay, strategy, brand identity, develop a street. This might not be what we're looking for, guys. Okay, my bad. I was looking to do drop shipping. Let's see the version of the business without branding and this and that. The changes things a bit general. Okay, niche selection. Okay, still look for products with high perceived value, low competition, and potential for recurring purchases. Consider unique items. Recurring purchases is something that I haven't heard recently. That's a good idea. For example, if you can sell something that people will be coming back and buying every week, every month, you know exactly how much. It's very predictable sources of revenue or potential margin. Sounds very, very good. So inventory management, supplier selection. I have a couple of videos here on CJ dropshipping tutorial, guys, on my channel. You want to make sure you look at them. I also have a full tutorial on Shopify how to register, how to set up your store. So you want to make sure you check the selection over here. Let's see what they advise us on marketing strategy. Social media influencers, yeah, we know that. Pay advertising, we know that. Fresh sales and promotions, email marketing, additional tips focus on product quality. That's nothing we can actually regulate. It's coming from China. Transparent communications. Be upfront about your dropshipping model. Communicate with potential shipping delays. Okay, that's correct. Focus on customer service. Okay, virtual assistant meaning. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, hard working, continuous adaptation. Well, guys, I don't think this is perfect, but I truly believe if we spend another maybe half an hour, 45 minutes up to an hour asking the right, more niche down questions after we choose our product and niche, I believe Bart AI could help us and save us a lot of time. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Bart AI to help you plan your trip wherever you're traveling. Don't forget that Bart AI generates all the information from Google, so they have all the up-to-date information that can help you. Instead of checking 100 different websites when planning your travel or vacation, you can simply use Bart AI. Let me show you. Please help me plan my trip to Miami on 21st of, let's say, March to 29th. Please advise on good deals about flights and hotels. I am traveling from New York City. Let's see. This is what I meant by saying over here, guys. So far we've been using it for location services, for GPS. We've been using Bart AI for e-commerce stores, e-commerce business. Okay, now we are going to get the best deals just with click of a button. Just see what is going on over here. I already like what I see. Okay, they said that Bart doesn't always get it right and you should double check everything. We definitely will do that. Okay, according to Google Flights, a round trip New York, okay, to Miami on the dates we put, March 21st, March 29th. Okay, and the next is the hotels at the same time. Okay, I found a few round trips from New York to okay, let's go. Here are some of the departure flights from New York. Spirit Airlines, oh my gosh, but that's from New Jersey. Okay, that's from New Jersey. Oh, Spirit LaGuardia, okay, to Florida, price is $141 round trip, will take 5 hours 25 minutes. You can find more details in Google Flights. Okay, thanks a lot, that's still very helpful. I'll search for some hotels to Miami, and here a few options. DoubleTree, okay, price is $157 a night. The Savoy Hotel and Beach Club in Miami, stylish rooms. 2 landmarks Art Deco. Okay, very nice. You see, guys, we are not only getting like a list of hotels or list of flights, we're getting like a little more information. It's like a little bonus. Like where is the hotel situated, what type of rooms we're gonna get, for the price. I like it. And you see underneath you're gonna get like the flight list, and then underneath we're gonna get like all the hotels with like a views and stuff. That's amazing, guys. I mean, you should give it a go to the developers of Bart AI. Very easy, guys, to navigate, very helpful. For more videos and case studies like this, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you again new prompts on Google Bart AI. In this particular example, we're going to focus on Google Bart helping us to create articles or content for websites where we can actually publish and potentially monetize the content. If you've seen my previous videos, we went through using Google Bart for dropshipping, using Google Bart for creating a perfect resume to apply for a job, using Google Bart for growing on social media, in our particular case to grow our TikTok account to 10,000 followers. Now we are going to get Google Bart to write some articles for us, or at least give us some tips and tricks. Let's go. I want to start a page like a blog where I want to post a number of articles about, let's say, hiking. Can you help me writing? Can you help me with the writing of the articles? Let's see. Let's put Google Bard AI on test. That looks like a complicated task. Okay, I will be happy to help you with the writing of the content for your hiking blog. However, to give you the best assistance, I need some information from you. What types of articles do you envision posting? Okay. Who is your target audience? Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Do you have an existing draft of ideas? Okay, I have some ideas. I am focusing on people from New York who want to explore hiking spots nearby. Boom. That seems to be very successful. Boom, you see that? Sure, here are some hiking spots around New York. Forest Park hiking trails located in Queens. New York Forest Park is a great option for a quick escape from the city. The Ravine, the 19-acre woodland in Central Park, is a hidden gem. Okay, Pat Dolan Trail. This trail is located in Flushing Meadows Park. The Marine Park, Salt Marsh Natural. Well, guys, obviously we can use a lot with Google Bard. Unbelievable how nice and smooth it works. And you see, when it integrates with the Google Maps, you can actually see each of these locations. And let me try to blow your mind even more, asking, can you add photos from these places? Let's see, can they generate some images, or at least grab some images from Google search? This will be a rough task. Let's see. Sure, here are some images from the locations. View, okay, slow down. Okay, but no, I need an actual image of the spots, not Google Map. Let's see. Put into test. If it passes this one, I mean it's a winner. ChatGPT cannot do that. Cannot produce any visuals. You know that very well. Okay. Surprise, guys. What else we can ask for? Look at this. Apologize, you're right. Wouldn't be a deal for blog. Here are some actual images of the hiking spots near New York that I mentioned earlier. Forest Park hiking trails looks good. Okay, the Ravine. Okay, I've been there. Okay, Pat Dolan Trail. That looks cool. Salt Marsh Natural Trail. Amazing. Additionally, depending on the specific aspects of the spot you want to highlight, your considers exploring, blah blah. That's okay, guys. I'm very impressed by what Google Bard AI can actually offer. It's amazing that with the right prompts you can extract so much info with visuals and with suggestions. I like it very much. In comparison with ChatGPT, this is much better, guys. But this is how you can actually utilize Bard AI to help you in content writing and publishing articles wherever you like to. Make sure you watch my other videos, other prompts that we explore, subscribe, and of course come back for more. Hi guys, in this video we're going to go through different prompts using the new Bard AI, trying to explore and try to advise how we can actually grow on social media, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. We're gonna ask Bard and we're gonna see what kind of strategies Bard is able to give us just simply by using a couple of prompts. If you've seen my other videos, we had amazing success with starting a dropshipping business or identifying niches or potential products. Very good integration of Google Bart and Google Trends. You want to make sure you watch these videos as well. So in this example over here, let's start with the basics. Let's say that we want to become a very successful creator on TikTok. Please give us a content strategy so we can content strategy and roadmap for getting 10,000 followers and join the creativity program. Let's see what kind of strategy Bart will give us, because we all know 10,000 followers is the requirement for you to join creativity program beta. I do have an account that is part of it, so it's very, very good. Let's see how you can achieve that if you start from scratch today. Google Bart says that content strategy for growing on TikTok, reaching 10,000 followers. Phase number 1 will be to find our niche and build the foundation. It will take us between 1 to 4 weeks. Step number 1, discover your unique voice. What are you passionate about? What skills or knowledge can you share? Don't be afraid to be niche. Conduct audience research, understanding your target audience, interests, demographics, and content preferences. Well, this will be hard considering that you just starting, right? You probably don't have any data. Choose your posting frequency and consistency, daily, multiple times a week, or less frequency with higher quality. Optimize your profile, use a clear and relevant bio, high quality profile picture, and engaging username. Everything looks very useful so far, guys. It's not too generic. It's not some random stuff from ChatGPT. Phase 2, it will take us between 5 to 8 weeks. Engaging content creation. Step number 1 will be to experiment with different content formats. Bart AI wants us to try different trends, to run challenges, tutorials, comedy sketches, educational content, storytelling, collaborations. Also want us to focus on video quality. That's something we already know. Optimize captions and hashtags, we all know that. Engaging with the audience. Sure, if you do live streams, you can essentially engage much more. I agree with that. Phase 3 will be 9 to 12 weeks. That's a long time. Analyze your performance, use TikTok analytics, we know that. I have plenty of videos on this topic as well, guys. You need to check out the channel. Then collaborate with other creators, run promotional campaigns. That doesn't work so well. Participate on TikTok challenges, that's actually good. Additional tips, be authentic and genuine, stay consistent, have fun. Join the creativity fund. Reaching 10,000 followers is a prerequisite for joining the program. Once eligible, apply to the program. So this is the roadmap, guys. This is what you are going to achieve and what you should expect. So month first will be just experimentation with different content formats until you find your own bread and butter. Month second will be simply focusing and improving the video quality, engagement, and optimization after you find the topic and the niche. Month 3 will simply be collaboration with other creators, run promotional campaigns, and try to ride the waves of what is currently trending. The last month will be analyzing your results, refine your strategy, and double down on what is working and essentially stop losing your time on what doesn't. Remember, TikTok takes time, and it has to be anyone has to be patient and stay consistent, keep creating content. I agree. I had maybe 3,000 videos until I actually got into the program. I think this is very helpful, guys. We can actually utilize this. I think we can actually get step by step. Let me ask last question. Can we shrink down the time frame? Because it sounds too long. I understand people wanna get faster results. Okay, so this is the updated version. Only within 2 months, guys, you can have 10,000 followers on TikTok if you follow the strategy. This is exactly what I was talking about. So guys, again, Part AI didn't disappoint, gave us the right strategy and potential results and step-by-step tutorial guide, something that I couldn't get with ChatGPT. Make sure you watch my other videos with different experiments using Part AI. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.